Protective Diets Chili Crunch. This is one way that Jerry and I have been enjoying it. It's listed on the bottom of the recipe, but I wanted to show you the assembly. This is our perfectly cooked organic spaghetti in the Instant Pot. Follow that recipe. And this is the oil-free, sugar-free Asian vinaigrette. This is a great way to make a hot noodle bowl. Toss on that dressing first to see if you need to add more, and that will evenly distribute it. I'm going to add a little bit more. You could also shortcut this and use some unseasoned rice vinegar, tamari, and then add your chili crunch. This has such a beautiful toasted aroma to it without all of the fat. Spices just about anything else. And then I have some cilantro. You could add whatever you wanted. You could add some shredded carrots. You could keep your veggies raw. Or here I have some peppers from my garden. Oh, the last of them. And if you don't like cilantro, leave it out. You could add basil. That would be awesome in this too. And then here I have the air-fried broccoli. It is a frozen broccoli solution for veggies in the winter. And I'm tossing that in there. And you might want to add more dressing. Give it a taste. This is hot to order, day fasters. So at this point you could give it a taste because you're making this fresh. Oh, and I'm going to add some more crunch.
How exciting.
You could serve this chili crunch tableside to add a little more to the top if you'd like. Add a little bit more dressing to loosen this up. You could also loosen this up with a little bit of water if it's getting too seasoned for you. I should have added some carrots. I have a little raw veggie platter on the side of carrots and cucumbers and green beans from the garden and okra. We like to eat our green beans when they're tiny and tender raw. Jerry turned me on to that this year.
So much better than cooked.
Our palate's changing with the development of our microbiome, that is for sure. I'm noticing we like more crunch in the form of raw veggies than cooked. But this air-fried broccoli, oh my gosh, it's so good. If you haven't tried it, it makes freezer broccoli fantastic. Follow the recipe, temperature and time for perfectly cooked broccoli. It's not soggy. It's got a little char on it. Oh my gosh, so good. And if your kids are eating along with you and they're not totally into the broccoli yet, chop it up after it's air fried. I just keep piling it on. Oh my gosh. Because I'm eating with Jerry. We fight over the broccoli.
I think that's going to be my plate, or will it be yours?
It can be yours.
All right.
I hope you're enjoying that chili crunch on just about everything. Take care.
And best of health, it's time to eat.